How to lock your keyboard on Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To lock your keyboard on Windows 11 PC, simply you need to first locate your physical keyboard and find the shift key, either the left or right one. Then you need to press and hold the shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. And after holding the key, you will hear a long beep sound and a pop-up message will appear on your screen. The message will ask if you want to enable the filter keys features, part of ease of access settings. And now you need to click on yes on the pop-up message to lock your keyboard. Once your keyboard is locked, you won't be able to type anything. As you can see that, so we can only use the on-screen keyboards right now. So, in this way, you can successfully lock your keyboard on Windows 11 PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.